Hey Haas, welcome to episode 6 of the Weekly News. I'm Leah.
And I'm Tamara.
And I'm Efsipa.
Before we start, here are some few quick announcements.
Hey HBLE, on December 16th, HBLE will open up a game night from 4 to 7 p.m. and it's free. The game night would include game trucks, volleyball, board games, a video game tournament, free pizza, and much more. Come here to have fun. Come find your information papers in the cafeteria.
Oh, I forgot that I recommended a book a few years ago. Well, I recommend The Golden Compass, a great book that's part of a series. The best books are. There's some interesting stuff in here. If you ever wished you had an animal best friend that could talk to you and change forms, and there was a big giant polar bear who ran around and got into fights, and there was a hot air balloon that...
Stop.
Why? Why should I stop?
Because you're spoiling too much of the book.
Well,
I was reading.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right, fine. Have it back, but you better finish that book soon.
Yeah.
Good news, though. There are like 5 more copies over here.
Yep.
First up, we have teacher room tours.
Welcome to room 405. I'm Mr. Scoopine. This is MTV Classroom Edition. Come on in. We're going to take a quick tour of my room. First, we have our pride words that our students came up with. You can see we have games in our students' notebooks where everyone stores their materials. We got this tapestry. Just looks creepy. That's the only reason I got it. Just to freak y'all out with some sun and moon. If you don't know, One Piece is my favorite anime, part of the Whitebeard crew. So if you're not with it, okay. Over here we just got the window where we look out and watch students fall, kick a soccer ball. Do you play soccer? Nice. Over here we have, this is supposed to be my student art wall. As you can see, it's pretty bare. So thank you for not helping with the artwork. Continuing with the tour, we got the big magic now. We have the rows of students, the front board where all the magic happens of math. And over here is my desk with famous mathematicians over the years and their glorious annoyance of annoying students, right? Do you love math? Be honest. Okay, we'll move on. Coming over here where you got a TV with the agenda. It's kind of boring, not much going on. And then the last thing we got in our classroom is our classroom agreements, where we all agreed on what we want our space to look like. Everyone participated, and my advisory set it up so beautifully. All right, you just took a tour of my classroom. Now get out.
Well, while we're in the library, I wanted to talk about a few things that you maybe are not aware of. I hear a lot of people talk about my block here and say, I can't believe you destroyed those books. But they are serving a higher purpose. They're blocking off my work area. And then I want to take you guys actually to the back room, which you may not even know is here. So follow me back here. So this is our room full of book sets. So when you all read the same book at the same time, it came probably from this room, and it's just full of books and really loud in here, so I can't hear when I'm back here, but this is the back room. It's kind of a mess, sorry. Good?
Welcome to the art closet. It is a huge mess, but it's the mystery room between 406 and 407 that a lot of people don't get to see. This is where Miss Prado and I keep all of our art supplies, and it's where we keep the kiln for ceramics as well. It gets really, really hot, up to 2,000 degrees. And here's more ceramic supplies, some paper, And our big old paper cutter. That is a slab roller. So you put clay in the middle of it, and it makes flat pieces of clay.
Wow, those were some nice rooms they had.
Who am I here with?
I'm Miss Prechtel.
And who would you like to shout out?
I'm shouting out Miss Lozano here because she is the best lead secretary in the world. She basically See, everybody loves her. She does the best announcements in the mornings and keeps this building running.
Thank you, Miss Prechtel.
Oh, and I'm shouting out Kylie as well.
Oh, I definitely have a bunch of people I'd love to shout out. I'd love to shout out Miss Cassie for being amazing, Miss Kate for being amazing, Jordan for doing a great job, and the rest of the 107 kids that are just doing a great job this year. Thank you.
Who am I here with?
Isaac. Drew.
Ollie. And who would you guys like to shout out and why?
Mohammed, because I know him for like 6-7 years.
Mark, because he gives me food on the bus.
Ibrahim, because he's nice.
I like to shout out Mustafa, Drew, Peter, Ollie, my sister, my brother, my mom, my dad, my grandma, my grandpa.
In the school, bro.
uncle, my aunt, my cousins. There.
Why?
Because I love them.
Next one is New Year's resolution interviews.
Who are you with? Carly. Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yes.
What are they and why'd you make them for yourself?
To get all A's and B's and to make new friends at this school because I am an avid student and I need to get all A's and B's.
Okay, thank you. Yeah! Who are we here with?
Belinda.
Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yes.
What are they and why'd you make them for yourself?
Try new things because I'm always stuck to one single thing and like I need to really expand and get all A's and B's.
Okay, thank you. Who are you with?
Isabella.
Do you have any New Year's resolutions? What are they and why'd you make them for yourself?
To be more organized, to get better grades in Avid.
And why?
Because I need good grades.
Oh, okay.
I literally just said that, Rocky.
Who are you here with?
Minna.
Do you have any New Year's resolutions?
Yes.
What are they and why'd you make them for yourself?
My New Year resolution is to get good grades because last year I didn't really have good grades and this year I want to have good grades.
Okay, thank you.
So who am I here with? Samaya. And who do I shout out? I want to shout out Han, my cousins, and Sasuna, Nevaeh, Na, because they're so amazing, guys. Exactly, that's right.
Who am I here with? Han. Who do you want to shout out?
I want to shout out all my best friends, Maida, Yana, Natalie, Omar, Kylie, Thomas, Mia, Samaya, Ashton, because they're all very, very good friends and they support me a lot. And I would also like to shout out Mr. Schaffler, Miss B, Miss Choi, Mr. Limover, because they also support me a lot in school.
Who am I here with? Han, Matthew.
Emerson, cool.
And who would you guys like to shout out?
Oh, so look, I need to shout out Marquis, Matthew, Jabril for hard work, Mr. Kendall. I need to shout out Usambia, and yeah.
I want to shout out Fahad for like locking in with basketball.
I would like to shout out Marquis, Kenyon, Emerson, Jabril, Fahad, Mr. Kendall, and that's it.
Also shout out Ponte.
Yeah, Ponte. Shout out Ponte. We miss Ponte.
And the next segment is teacher repeating slang.
6, 7.
6, 7.
6, 7.
Hey guys, this is this week's Talon Drawing.
It is 24 colored pencils.
This is our mystery prize. We
Now-
have 3 winners for this and 4 for the mystery prize. Yes. Let's start.
Okay, those were the 3 winners of the colored
Congratulations.
pencils.
Congratulations.
Okay, next is the mystery prize, seaweed. Okay, those are the winners of the seaweed for the seaweed. Congratulations. Next week's prize is blankets. Yay! Go! Wow! This is what you're gonna win next week. Some
Yes, guys.
blankets.
So comfy, so warm.
Yeah.
Cold outside. Yeah, like.
Bye! Thanks for watching, Hawks.
Who we here with?
My mom.
Christian, you need to stop. Yeah, we can do it. Yeah, I'm recording. Mommy!
We gotta hurry. I'm gonna get y'all on camera.
What's up?
3, 2, 1. Hey guys, this is this week's talent. Belinda.
Who am I here with?
Miss Weber in the library.
And who would you like to shout out?
I would love to shout out Han, who was a library assistant last year. Best library assistant ever.
That's what I thought.